pious people of the earth languish, as a bride goes before destruction, and haughty spirit before stumbling. The world is destroyed and being flooded, as a human waste devastated the earth. Neither silver nor the gold will brings back the heaven on earth. Open your mouth for the mute, for the right of all the unfortunate, because it's time to heal, not to kill. It's time to build up instead of the tear down. Today I raise up as a witness to gather the nation, to destroy and overthrow the greediness, to break down the ignorance, to build and to plan for the better world. Strong and courageous, as the Lord will fight for you. Let the earth be glad. Let the sea resound. And let all forests sing for joy.